Apply one thin coat of Stay Strong or Stay Classic base coat. Remember to really scrub the product into the nail plate when you're using Stay Strong base coat. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply Exercise Your Brights to the top 1/3 of the nail plate near the cuticle. Using Mango for it, carefully push the brush up to meet the two colors together. Continue applying to the middle third of the nail. And repeat this to apply Be Unapologetic to the bottom third of the nail. Cap the free edge. Using an ombre brush almost parallel to the nail, begin bouncing the bristles of the brush in the first color, moving from sidewall to sidewall. Move slightly down the nail with each pass to begin blending the two colors. Continue through the second color to the third until all three colors are blended. Wipe your brush clean with a dry, lint-free wipe. And repeat that blending process 1 to 2 more times. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a second coat of each color, but be sure to position the second joint lines slightly above or below the previous lines. This will help achieve an even smoother blended ombre. Repeat the blending process as before, cleaning your brush as needed. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply one even coat of Stay Shiny top coat. Cure for 30 seconds. And cleanse with NAS 99 and a lint-free wipe.